Tired of looking for how to install Microsoft Office 2021 free on YouTube? No worries, I'll show you the easy way in this video. By the end, you'll easily know how to set up Microsoft Office 2021. Now we are going to see 3 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Microsoft Deployment Tool. Search for Microsoft Deployment Tool in your browser. Click on the first link. It will take you to this page. Now, you can see the download option here. First, select your language and then click download. Yes, the Office Deployment Tool is downloaded. Now, let's install this tool. Click Open and Install here. Click the checkbox and then click Continue. Now, select the location where you want to install this. I have chosen the C partition. Now, create a new folder. Click Make a new folder. Rename it to Microsoft 2021 and click OK. Yes, we have successfully extracted this tool to the C location. Step 2. Create configuration for Microsoft Office 2021. Search for Microsoft 365 Admin Center in your browser. Click on this link config.office.com. It will take you to this page. Now, let's create a new configuration for Microsoft Office 2021. Click Create to go to the Deployment Setting Tool page. Fill in the required details. First, check which bit is suitable for your computer. In the modern generation, we mostly use 64-bit. My computer is 64-bit, so I just selected this one. Next, select the product. Click here and choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. Scroll down. In the App section, if you don't want any app in this list, you can turn it off. I won't use OneNote, so I turned off this app and clicked Next. The next section is Language. Select your language and click Next. The third section is Installation. No need to change anything. Just click Next. The fourth section is Update and Upgrade. Let's directly go to the upgrade. Click Turn Off and then click Next. The fifth section is License and Activation. No need to change anything. Confirm KMS and click Next. The sixth section is General. If you want to add your name or company name, you can write it. I added our channel name here, Skillify. Click Next. The last section is Application Preference. You can directly click Next. Now, we have successfully completed the configuration settings. Now, we want to export this configuration. Click Export. And select Office Open XML Formats. Click OK. Check the checkbox to accept the terms and license agreement and click Export. Yes, now we have successfully downloaded the configuration file. Go to the downloaded location. Copy this file. We have already created a new folder, Microsoft 2021, and installed Office Deployment Tool in C partition. Go to the location on that folder, Microsoft 2021, and paste the configuration file. Yes, we have pasted it successfully. Step 3. Installing Microsoft Office 2021. Copy this location here. Open Command Prompt. Type CD. Paste the location and click Enter here. Now, copy the next prompt. Search for Microsoft Deploy 2021 in your browser. Click on the first link. Scroll down this page. Copy Setup, Configure Configuration.xml. Go back to the command prompt. Paste it and press Enter here. Click Install. Yes, Microsoft installation has started. Once it's done, click Close. Search for Word in your Start menu. Click here to open Word. Yes, we have successfully installed Microsoft Office 2021. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.